Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download video from Pinterest. And the first step that you need to do is find the video that you want to download. I want to download this video from KB, so we click on that video, and then after this we click on the three dots and then click on copy link. The link got copied, and right now we go back to Safari, and then you need to search for the website pinterestdownloader.com. I will also place a link in my description. Now click this away, and right now we want to paste or a link just right here. So we click on that again and then do paste. Now click on download. Please don't close this page because he's working on our video right now. And right now if you scroll down, you see here the option download video or force download video. Now click on force download video, click on download. Left in the bottom, the video got downloaded, and if you click now on left in the bottom and then on downloads, you see here the uppermost option with the downloaded video. So now click on that, click on your screen again, left in the bottom, and then click on save video. Right now, if we throw this one away, go to photos, you see that we just downloaded the video in our photo gallery, and this is exactly how this works. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.